Let's see a simple question which was asked in Olympiad. So we have an equation in x which is cube root of x plus 3 plus cube root of x plus 4 plus cube root of x plus 5 which is equal to 0, and we need to solve the equation for x. Now here we can see a pattern in these three terms, which is x plus 3, then going to x plus 4, then going to x plus 5. So these three numbers are in AP. So whenever you will get a case like this, your first approach should be to let the mid number some variable t. Let the variable t. So this method will help you to simplify this equation a bit. How? If you let x plus 4 is equal to t, we can write x plus 3 as t minus 1, and we can write x plus 5 as t plus 1. And you know that whenever you get t minus 1 and t plus 1, product of these two terms is very beautiful. Why? T minus 1 into t plus 1 is t square minus 1. And multiplying an equation with two terms again with an equation in two terms will give us an equation in again two terms. T minus 1 into t plus 1 is t square minus 1. So nothing complex. So substituting this x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5 values in this equation and bringing this term, this side, to eventually cube. So we will get cube root of x plus 3 is t minus 1 to the power 1 by 3 plus x plus 5 is t plus 1 to the power 1 by 3 is equal to minus of cube root of x plus 4, which is t to the power 1 by 3. Now we are getting cube root, cube root, cube root. So let's cube the equation, both the sides. So cubing both the sides, we will get, this side we will get minus 1 cube is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, which will be minus 1. So minus times, and t to the power 1 by 3 cubing is t, simply. And here we will apply a plus b whole cube, which will give us t minus 1 whole cube, cube root of t minus 1 whole cube will be t minus 1, plus similarly t plus 1, plus 3 times ab, t minus 1 cube root into t plus 1 cube root, and a plus b. Now instead of writing t minus 1 cube root plus t plus 1 cube root, we can also write minus times t to the power 1 by 3, because here we know that a plus b is minus times t to the power 1 by 3. So in place of a plus b, which is I am talking about a plus b whole cube, is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b. So in place of that a plus b, we will write the value of a plus b, which is minus t to the power 1 by 3. Now let's rub this equation out and create some space for our further calculation. Now simplifying this equation, t minus 1 plus t plus 1 will give us 2t, because minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled out. Again plus 3 times. Now t minus 1 cube root into t plus 1 cube root will give us, the brackets will multiply and it will become t square minus 1 cube root power 1 by 3 times minus t to the power 1 by 3, which is equal to, this complete is multiplied with this, which is equal to minus t. Now let's bring minus t in LHS this side and make it 3t. 2t plus t will be 3t, and 3 will come out to be common and will be divided with 0. So we can remove 3 from this equation because 3 is getting commoned out. Now writing it a bit simpler, t minus and plus will get multiplied, so minus t square minus 1 cube root into t cube root is equal to 0. Now taking t to the power 1 by 3 common, we will get t to the power 2 by 3 minus t square minus 1 to the power 1 by 3 is equal to 0. Now we got factor of that equation where we let x plus 4 to be t. Remember this. Now solving this equation, first of all, let's put this term to be 0. So on putting t to the power 1 by 3 to be 0, we will get t is equal to 0, because cubing both sides will give us t equal to 0. So first, our first solution is t is equal to 0. And putting t is equal to 0, we will get x equal to minus 4. So talking precisely, we will get x is equal to minus 4. This is our first solution of x upon solving that equation. Now focusing on this part, let's solve this part. Now equating this part to 0, we can write it as 2 to the power t to the power 2 by 3 is equal to t square minus 1 to the power 1 by 3. Cubing both the sides again, we will get t square is equal to t square minus 1. And as you can see that this equation will not hold equality because t square can never be t square minus 1. Or you can say that t must be tending to infinity to make these two equations equal, but after tending t to 0, even in that case these two equations cannot be exactly equal. So this part will not give us solution. So this part can never be 0. So after equating that t to the power 1 by 3 to 0, we got a single solution, and that solution will be our only solution. So the solution for that equation is x equal to -4, which is our answer. Thank you.